Homes experience temperature shifts throughout the year, and those changes can place stress on windows. When outdoor conditions fluctuate, maintaining steady indoor comfort becomes a priority. The right window style can make a noticeable difference in how well your home adapts. For homeowners in Washington, Awning Windows offer a practical solution designed to handle changing temperatures while supporting year-round comfort. A tight seal for better insulation. One of the most important features of awning windows is how they close. Hinged at the top and opening outward from the bottom, these windows press firmly against the frame when shut. This compression-style seal helps limit air infiltration. In Washington homes, that tight closure reduces drafts and keeps conditioned air inside, making it easier to maintain stable indoor temperatures during seasonal changes. Managing temperature swings. Temperature fluctuations can create uncomfortable hot and cold spots near windows. Awning windows in Washington residences are built to reduce heat transfer when closed. Their secure fit helps minimize unwanted air movement, supporting more consistent room temperatures throughout the day. Effective ventilation when conditions allow. While insulation is critical during temperature extremes, natural ventilation is valuable during milder periods. Awning windows open outward in a way that captures passing breezes. Washington homeowners can use this feature to circulate fresh air when outdoor temperatures are comfortable, reducing reliance on indoor systems. Protection during light rain. Changing weather often brings unexpected rain showers. Awning windows are uniquely designed to provide protection from light rain even when partially open. In Washington homes, this allows ventilation without exposing interiors to moisture, offering flexibility during transitional seasons. Durable construction. For seasonal stress, windows must withstand expansion and contraction caused by temperature shifts. Modern awning windows installed in Washington are made with durable materials that maintain alignment over time. This stability ensures the window continues to seal properly despite changing weather conditions. Supporting energy performance. Energy efficiency becomes especially important when temperatures fluctuate. Awning windows help Washington homeowners maintain balanced indoor comfort by reducing air leaks and limiting heat exchange. This contributes to smoother indoor system operation. Ideal for high or compact spaces. Awning windows are often placed higher on walls or combined with fixed windows. In Washington homes, this placement maximizes light and ventilation without sacrificing privacy or interior space. Even smaller awning windows contribute meaningfully to temperature control. Improving comfort in key rooms. Kitchens, bathrooms, and bedrooms often require consistent airflow and insulation. Awning windows in Washington residences offer reliable performance in these spaces. Their secure closure blocks drafts, while their outward opening design allows fresh air when desired. Long-term reliability. Changing temperatures can expose weaknesses in poorly constructed windows. High-quality awning windows are engineered to maintain performance over time. Washington homeowners benefit from windows that continue to operate smoothly and seal tightly year after year. A smart solution for variable weather. Homes in Washington experience a range of temperatures throughout the year. Awning windows provide a versatile response to these changes. With their compression seal, durable construction, and flexible ventilation options, they support steady indoor comfort regardless of outdoor conditions. For homeowners seeking a window style that adapts to shifting temperatures without sacrificing efficiency or ease of use, awning windows offer a practical and dependable choice.